What if I told you there's a simple indicator strategy that can give you clear buy and sell signals in just minutes? Hello traders, welcome back to Sam Trading Strategies, your trusted channel for simple, accurate, and beginner-friendly binary trading strategies. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a powerful and easy alligator indicator strategy that you can use on IQ Option and all other platforms with default settings only. No complicated setup at all. This strategy is specially designed for 1-minute charts with 5-minute expiry, making it perfect for traders who like clarity, clean charts, and rule-based entries. Quick risk warning: trading involves risk. You can lose all your invested capital. This content is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Only trade with money you can afford to lose, and always use proper risk management. Always practice on a demo account first before using real money. Stick with me till the end because I'll show you exactly when to trade and when to stay out. All right, let's dive in. Now, let's get into the exact trading rules for this alligator indicator strategy. Pay close attention because following these rules precisely is what separates winning traders from losing traders. First, let's understand what the alligator indicator actually is. The alligator consists of 3 colored lines on your chart. These represent the jaw, teeth, and lips of an alligator. Think of it like this. When the alligator is sleeping, the lines are close together. When it wakes up and opens its mouth, the lines separate, and that's when we hunt for trades. Now, here are the step-by-step trading rules. Rule number 1. Setting up the indicator. Go to your IQ Option platform or whatever broker you're using. Search for the alligator indicator and apply it to your chart with the default settings. Don't change anything. Keep it simple. Rule number 2. Understanding the signals. We're looking for the moment when all 3 lines cross over each other, the lips, teeth, and jaw. When the green line, which is the lips, crosses above the other 2 lines, this signals a potential buy opportunity. You're looking to go up. When the green line crosses below the other 2 lines, this signals a potential sell opportunity. You're looking to go down. But here's the key. Don't jump in immediately. Let me show you the exact confirmation you need. Rule number 3. Buy trade setup. Here's your complete checklist for entering a buy trade. First, wait for the 3 alligator lines to cross each other. After the cross, the lips, that's the green line, must move above the other 2 lines. Next, watch for the 3 lines to start opening up and moving upward together. This shows the alligator is waking up into an uptrend. Now, wait for the current candle to close as a bullish green candle. This is your confirmation. Once you have all these conditions, enter your buy trade at the opening of the very next candle. Set your expiry to 5 minutes, and you're in. Rule number 4. Sell trade setup. Now for sell trades, the process is exactly the opposite. Wait for the 3 alligator lines to cross each other. After the cross, the lips, the green line, must move below the other 2 lines. Watch for the 3 lines to start opening up and moving downward together. The alligator is waking up into a downtrend. Wait for the current candle to close as a bearish red candle. That's your confirmation. Enter your sell trade at the opening of the next candle. Set expiry to 5 minutes. Simple, right? But now let me show you what to avoid. Rule number 5. Avoid ranging markets. This is absolutely crucial. Do not trade when the market is moving sideways or when the 3 lines are tangled together like spaghetti. When the alligator is sleeping, we stay out. We only trade when it wakes up and the lines clearly separate with strong direction. Trading in a ranging market is one of the biggest mistakes beginners make. Don't be that trader. Rule number 6. Avoid news times. Never, and I mean never, trade during major news releases. Economic news can cause wild, unpredictable price swings that completely ignore technical indicators. Always check the economic calendar before you start trading. Mark high-impact news events and stay away during those times. Rule number 7. Best trading sessions. Timing matters. Focus on the European session and the New York session. These are when the market has the highest volume and the cleanest movement, giving you the most reliable signals. Avoid trading during the Asian session or low-volume hours. The signals just aren't as strong. Rule number 8. Currency pairs. This strategy works on any currency pair, but I highly recommend starting with major pairs like EUR/USD, GBP/USD, or USD/JPY. These pairs have tight spreads, high liquidity, and cleaner price action. Perfect for this strategy. And there you have it. These are the complete trading rules for the Alligator Indicator strategy. Now, I know some of you might be thinking this sounds too simple, but trust me, simplicity is the key to consistent profits in trading. The more complicated you make it, the more room there is for mistakes. Now, here's something special. To help you trade this strategy without confusion, I've created a free step-by-step checklist PDF that you can download right now. You can grab it from the Telegram link in the description and keep it open while trading for better accuracy. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss future strategies. And now, let's jump into the live trading examples where I'll show you exactly how this works on real charts. Now let me show you something really exciting. At the exact same time, I spotted two perfect buy setups on two different pairs, Euro/JPY and USD/JPY. Look at both charts. The alligator was completely asleep. All three lines were tightly compressed and tangled together. A clear sign the market was consolidating and building energy for a breakout. Then something powerful happened on both pairs simultaneously. The green lips line sliced through and moved above the red jaw and blue teeth. All three lines started spreading apart and moving upward. And here's the confirmation I needed. Both candles closed strongly bullish, right above the alligator. When you see this kind of alignment across multiple pairs at the same time, it's not a coincidence. It's the market showing its hand. So I took action. One buy trade on Euro/JPY, one buy trade on USD/JPY, both with 5-minute expiry. No hesitation, no guessing, just following the rules. Now here's where discipline matters most. After placing both trades, I stepped back. No adjustments, no second guessing, no staring at every tick. Let's see how each trade developed. On Euro/JPY, price started moving a bit slower at first, but watch closely. Candles kept forming above the alligator lines. Buyers were clearly present. The green lips stayed on top, maintaining bullish control. No significant pullback below the indicator. The structure stayed clean. Now look at USD/JPY. This one had even stronger momentum. Bullish candles stacked one after another. The gap between the three alligator lines kept widening. This expansion is critical. It means the trend isn't just alive, it's strengthening with every candle. At this point, everything was unfolding exactly as the strategy predicted. No drama, no chaos, just technical precision. All right, let's talk about what happened at expiry. First up, Euro/JPY win. The trade closed in profit exactly as expected. Price honored the alligator lines throughout the entire duration. The trend stayed intact, the structure remained bullish, and we secured the payout. A few moments later, USD/JPY, another win. No sudden reversal, no panic. Just clean, smooth continuation in the trend direction all the way to expiry. Two trades, two different currency pairs, two wins. Same strategy, same rules. If you found this breakdown helpful, and you want more simple, accurate, rule-based binary strategies just like this one, here's what you need to do. Hit that like button right now. Subscribe to Sam Trading Strategies so you don't miss the next winning setup. Remember, the checklist PDF for this alligator strategy is available for free on Telegram. Download it and keep it with you while trading for maximum accuracy. Thanks for watching, traders. Stay disciplined, stay patient, and I'll see you in the next video. Trade smart, trade safe, and keep winning.